Bullish vigor remains almost a month after Mauritius-based Ascencore reportedly raised $600 million to refinance its debt and potentially fund a takeover of Jumia Technologies, the largest e-commerce company in Africa. According to sources close to the matter, Ascencore has been increasing its stake in Jumia and currently holds 8% of its shares. If the deal goes through, it's likely to help both firms expand across the continent. However, representatives from both companies have declined to comment on the report. Jumia Technologies has been making significant strides in the African e-commerce market. The company recently partnered with Algerian finance provider Diard Zaire to roll out buy now, pay later (BNPL) services for customers across Algeria. This collaboration is designed to make online shopping more accessible and offer shoppers the flexibility to split their payments. Paul Mollard, CEO of Jumia Algeria, said that the partnership marks a significant step forward in creating a more inclusive e-commerce environment and empowering customers to shop smarter and more flexibly. Jumia has also expanded its logistics service, Jumia Delivery, to Nigeria, following its successful operations in Côte d'Ivoire. The company aims to revolutionize logistics and enhance shipping convenience for individuals and businesses across the country. Francis Dufay, CEO of Jumia, said that the introduction of Jumia Delivery in Nigeria is a major step forward in addressing logistics challenges and meeting the evolving needs of both individuals and businesses. On the financial front, Jumia has significantly reduced its losses and is on track to achieve profitability by 2022, driven by growth and cost management. Francis Dufay said that the company aims to double volumes and is working to lower costs through cost-based improvements. Jumia's strong trends in item sales from Chinese vendors, with a 61% increase in gross items sold by international vendors, are also expected to contribute to its growth.